Behind the scenes, how Apple executes projects with flawless precision. Apple Incorporated is an American electronics company famous for its innovation in smartphones, mobile tablets, computer software, and computer accessories, and with more than $3 trillion in market capitalization, Apple is one of the biggest tech giants in the world. Apple is.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Well known for its attractive design and quality products. The seamless hardware-software synergy allows system performance to stand out as one of the best, since no other systems with identical specifications have as smooth and even integration with competing systems. Apple products are noted for their stunning design and exceptional build quality. Apple created its first successful personal computer and was also the first company to bring the GUI, graphical user interface, into adoption. Apple's key products and services. iPhone transformed mobile technology by improving communication and media consumption. iPad, it has created a new market for digital tablets by bridging the gap between smartphones and PCs. Macintosh computers, the Mac line has revolutionized the world of personal computing by setting new standards. Apple TV, Apple's entry into streaming entertainment services, has emerged as a dominating competitor in the subscription-based television business. MacBook, the MacBook, Apple's laptop computer brand, has become a popular choice in both personal and business settings. Apple Watch, it is one of the most dominating items in the wearable technology business. Apple AirPods, AirPods have established themselves as the industry leader in wireless audio. Apple's project management overview. Apple's project management system relies on the following fundamental concepts: centralized leadership, cross-functional cooperation, and PDCA iterative cycle. Projects at all levels remain aligned with Apple's long-term vision due to centralized choices made by the firm. The senior leadership is actively involved in product direction to guarantee team alignment and clarity of vision. This leadership approach guarantees that all initiatives move forward for a purpose and remain aligned with the company's strategic objectives. Similar to this, Apple fosters cross-functional cooperation by bringing the design and engineering teams involved early in the process as part of the Apple approach. This allows the project management to be examined from a multidisciplinary and comprehensive standpoint, encompassing functionality as well as user experience. Furthermore, Apple implements an agile and continuous improvement method, which enables teams to evolve their product in a rapid feedback loop while receiving constant feedback. This open-minded attitude makes Apple adaptable to constantly changing market conditions, enabling quick changes that meet customer requests and corporate standards. Key project management approaches used by Apple. Cross-functional collaboration. Apple's cross-functional strategy involves bringing together many departments and teams to guarantee that the product progresses in the same direction. This process begins with the formation of a cross-functional team comprised of designers, engineers, marketers, operational personnel, and salesmen. The team works closely together to ensure that the product's design reflects technology capabilities, market demands, and operational constraints. Benefits from cross-functional collaboration. Improved communication. Apple enhances communication by creating a strong company culture, ensuring teams from different backgrounds share insights and work towards a common goal. Increased innovation. Bringing together professionals from many departments promotes creative problem-solving, resulting in unique ideas and innovative products. Knowledge sharing. Apple promotes open communication of expertise across departments, which leads to faster learning and more effective decision-making. Streamlined work process. Cross-functional teams collaborate, minimizing errors and increasing project efficiency from the start to the end. More inclusive work environment. Collaboration across functions develops multiple viewpoints, resulting in an environment that encourages different thoughts and perspectives. As development proceeds, all teams contribute input and suggestions to ensure that the end product is consistent, functional, and marketable. This cross-functional strategy enables a comprehensive and effective product launch. PDCA Iterative Cycle. Apple uses the Plan-to-Check Act (PDCA) iterative cycle in its project management approaches to ensure ongoing innovation and improvement in operations and product development. Plan. In Apple's project management, the company proceeds by establishing defined goals and creating a strategic plan for product development that takes into account market research, consumer demands, and technological feasibility.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.